Alright, so what I'm going to be trying to do today is get this old boy fired up. It's been sitting here for at least a couple years, but I got someone who's interested in buying it, which I really don't want to sell it because I'm never going to find another one. If you don't know what this is a first generation 2.2 liter closed deck turbo Subaru Legacy. And this is a car that kind of put Subaru on the map. This is what brought Colin McRae to victory back in the... I forget if the first one was an 89 or a 90. But this is technically a facelift first gen. 92, they gave it a new front clip and new tail lights pretty much. The rest of the car is pretty much the same. But this thing's got 149,000 K on it. It's actually quite nice. Other than the fenders, the rear quarters are getting a little scabby. Underneath is mint. It runs great, or at least it did. I'm going to start with getting the snow off it. Throw some fresh gas in. Throw the jumper on it and see if the old boy will fire up. Alright, booster is on. That battery says February 22. I'm pretty sure I've had it running since then, but maybe not. I've got a bunch of stuff I'm always messing with, and I haven't... Oh, well, we got juice. Oh. I don't hear a fuel pump. Come on. What a car, man. Yeah. Like I said, I can't even remember the last time this thing ran. That's wild. Good car. Well, little ticky. That should clear up. We'll try and get this stuff moved and bring it inside. Give it a quick once over before the guy comes to check it out. Well, fired up, crawled right out of its hole. It's a good car. Well, I'm gonna get some air in these tires because they are right down. And then bring it around. Get it in the shop to thaw out. I might do the plugs on it and put some fresh oil in it for the guy. I want to see this thing survive. And if he doesn't end up taking it, I might start just working on it because it really doesn't need much. It needs a brake line. And this is a little worse for wear than it was last time I saw it. I went down there, but weekend worth of welding and some filler, a little bit of paint. Be good as new. Oh, get some air in, get it inside. And just got just enough air in it. It's not riding on the rims. Just enough snow off it. I can kind of see. It's a little grumpy, but that's allowed. Get it in the shop. Check the oil. Check the spark plugs. Go from there. Lost some of the exhaust, that's alright. Oh, it's in. So, it's pretty good. Needs a detail in the engine bay. Like, even the interior, still a little, I think that's from leaking sunroof. It's super clean. Quarter panels, a little scabby. Rear of the rocker. Front fenders are the worst of it, but that's a Saturday afternoon. Get some sheet metal, some filler. Or I have two brand new fenders for this thing, which I might just do that. I'm gonna go over the basics on it. It's been sitting a long time, so I'm gonna change the oil, do the spark plugs, because I said, even if this guy doesn't take it, I think he's going to. He's been after me for months for this car. But if he doesn't take it, I'll have the oil changed on, spark plugs. It needs a rear brake line. So I just pulled it out of the ABS block there, and I put in a bolt. So it has 3 brakes. I'll do the brake line, tune up, deal with the rust, a little bit of paint, needs tires, and probably put it on the road. I have a full 3-inch turbo back exhaust for this thing off my STI swapped one of these that I had. I got a full 5-speed swap for it. Pretty sure I have injectors and a Haltech kicking around for it as well. Oh, we will see. I kind of really don't want to sell it now that I started it and moved it. But I got a bunch of projects. It's the big block out of the Vista Cruiser started knocking at the end of the season. I got to pull it apart. Probably needs a crank. And I'm probably going to put rods in it and bigger cam. I got all tubular stuff and control arms for the Caprice wagon with the 327 in it. That's it. We'll see what happens when he comes to look at it. But oil change and spark plug time.